Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Planner as a Kanban board. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to planner.cloud.microsoft. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in using your Microsoft account credentials. This will give you access to all of Microsoft Planner's project management features and allow you to create and organize your Kanban boards. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard. On the left side of your screen, you'll see an option that says Create a Plan. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you'll begin setting up your Kanban board structure. Now you'll be presented with two options. You can either start from scratch or choose from a pre-made template. Templates can save time if you're working on common project types, but for this tutorial, we're going to build everything from the ground up so you understand the full process. Click on Basic Plan and then click Create Basic Plan to proceed. Next, you'll need to input a plan name. Choose something descriptive that reflects your project, like marketing campaign or product development. Below that, you have the option to input a group to share it with. This is useful if you're working with a team and want everyone to have access to the board. Once you've filled in these details, click Create Basic Plan to finish setting up your workspace. Great, now you'll notice that your plan already comes with a default bucket called To Do. Buckets are essentially the columns in your Kanban board, and they represent different stages of your workflow. To add more stages, click Add a New Bucket. Name this one In Progress, which will represent tasks that are currently being worked on. Next, click Add a New Bucket again and name it Testing. This stage is for tasks that are completed but need verification or quality checks. Then, do it one more time and name this bucket Done. This will hold all your completed tasks. Now you have a complete Kanban workflow with 4 stages. Let's add a task to get started. In the To Do bucket, click Add Task. Type in a task name, something like Design Homepage Mockup or Prepare Quarterly Report. Then, click Add Task to save it. Your first task is now visible in the To Do column. Now click on the task you just created to open its details. You'll see various options here, including labels which help you visually categorize and track your tasks. Click on Add Label to begin customizing it. You'll see several color options appear. Click the pencil icon next to the gray color. This allows you to rename the label to match your workflow stage. Name it To Do and click on it to apply this label to your task. This color coding makes it easy to see the status of each task at a glance. Here's where the Kanban magic happens. You can now drag your task from the To Do bucket to the In Progress bucket. Simply click and hold the task card, then drag it over to the In Progress column and release it. This visual movement represents the task progressing through your workflow. Once you've moved the task, click on it again to update its label. Remove the current gray To Do label by clicking on it. Then click the pencil icon next to the yellow color. Rename it to In Progress and select it. This keeps your visual indicators consistent with the task's actual status. You can repeat this process as your task moves through each stage of completion. Drag it to testing when it's ready for review, update the label accordingly, and finally move it to the Done bucket when everything is complete. This drag and drop functionality combined with color-coded labels gives you a clear visual overview of your entire project's progress at any time. And that's it! You now have a fully functional Kanban board in Microsoft Planner that you can use to track tasks and visualize your workflow. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.